Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to be learning all about how to create your own event program, and we're going to be doing that through Canva. This is my home screen. I love that it has the dimensions already inside of each template, and I really like this documents one. If you already have an idea of what you want your template to look and feel like, you can just type it in. I really love magazine covers. They're just clean and editorial looking. I really like this one, so I'm just going to play with it until I am happy with it. Another thing that I really love about Canva is that it saves all my brand colors. I do have the paid version, so it saves as many brand colors as I need, but if you have the non-paid version, I believe it saves up to 3, but still saves a ton of time on creating my templates. A few things that you want to remember to incorporate when you're designing your event program is to add in a date, location, a name of your event. You can add in your website. I always like to add a hashtag so your community knows where to go, they know where to find you and your community. You can also add in any handles if you like, but I like to do that in the second page. So right here, I'm just adding in a little bit of branding. TKCI stands for the KC influence. Another really cool thing about Canva is it has a ton of stock photos you can choose from. For instance, if you have an art class or something that you're doing, you can choose one of these photos. I like to upload and use my own. That's just my preference. So I'm pretty happy with the way that this first page is looking. I have a title, I have a hashtag, I have something sort of branded, I have my website, a date, time, and location for guests to know where they're going, or if they want to keep the program, if it was a special event, they can have all that information just to remember the day. I like to copy and paste the same fonts just to make sure everything stays the same and the fonts are consistent. So now I'm just going to be creating the event, the times, the speakers. If there's going to be lunch, I always add in those kind of times. You want to add in what the speaker is going to be speaking about as well. And I'm just going to copy and paste here, but if you have several different speakers, you can just type in their name and then the times that they're going to be speaking, and then of course their topic of discussions. I also really love playing with the elements. I use the square a lot, and then I just add in my brand color. Again, I'm copying and pasting the text, so that way it all just looks really good and flows well. So down here, you're going to want to add in your sponsors. You know, you want to be able to give them a shout out since they really helped make your night happen. So whatever ways you can give them shout outs and highlight them, you definitely want to do that. So just for time's sake, I'm just going to copy and paste, but whoever your sponsors are, you're going to want to put them here. And then you're going to want to let them know who they can tag at your event. So you want to put your handle, your business handle, and that really helps your event get out into the world and helps your marketing. And then you can just add in a photo. You can add in the photo of the location, or maybe a really cool photo of a past event that you did. I really like this Polaroid one that I created inside of Photoshop. Sorry, I couldn't think of it. I was like, how did I create this again? Yeah, and then you can just move over that, center everything. So I have my title, I have a hashtag, something branded, time, location, sponsors, who to tag, the schedule for your event, and that's basically it, guys. So I'm excited to hear from you guys.